Good morning, folks. Pine Acres RV here, coming to you with something a little different. We got ourselves two Thor motor coach, Mercedes-Benz chassis, C-Class diesel, or in some cases B+ diesel. This Delano is something we normally order. We sell lots of these, very happy with selling them. However, they are $50,000 plus over this Four Winds Mercedes-Benz diesel. A couple of customers are asking for the cheaper product. Okay, we got one. Let me show you why the Delano is worth $50,000 more. A little bit of a different video. You're gonna get a lot of little 5-second clips. Let's begin. The Delano has a full automotive paint, where the Four Winds, vinyl stickers. This Delano has fully automatic leveling system. The Four Winds, power stability bars. The Delano fiberglass rear cap for a bumper. The Four Winds, Delano has armless power awning with wind sensing controls. Four Winds, traditional power awning. The Delano has these beautiful slam latch doors. The Four Winds, the cheaper, the less expensive kind. Okay, and both chassis do have the Mercedes-Benz 4-cylinder 2.0 twin turbo diesel engine. However, the Delano has adaptive cruise control, lane mitigation, lane assist, also blind spot detection. All right, one of my favorite exterior features, not only the full body paint, but take a look at this front cap on top. So it is a little smaller up top here. However, there is absolutely no seam. That is a one-piece fiberglass top cap here. The Four Winds, your traditional construction. Delano has dual pane, frameless windows. The Four Winds, your traditional windows. Just a heads up, some of our competitors do order in their Mercedes-Benz with hubcaps. We get ours with the Alcoa alloy wheels. The Delano comes with a front mat. The Four Winds, nothing. The Delano, digital control center. The Four Winds, traditional control center. All right, now we're inside. We're in the Delano. Take a look at this beautiful European style cabinetry. You'll notice more cabinets here. Four Winds, not European style. Missing a cabinet or two. All right, let's take a look at the fit and finish in the bedroom. Notice that plush headboard. I don't think there's a big difference in the Delano bathroom to the Four Winds. Let's go. Here's the Four Winds. Wood. A nice headboard still. Bathroom. Well, the Delano has a nicer mirror medicine cabinet. About the same. All right, final point here. Love that seamless front cap up top, but it is smaller. Let's go look inside. You can see, I'd recommend one person up there. Oh yeah, here's another thing. Booster seats for your swiveling chairs. They're provided in the Delano, not the Four Winds. Four Winds has the bigger sleeping area. Yeah, I can put two people up there. But no booster seats for those swiveling chairs. All right, I'm sure I missed a couple of things here and there. Tell me what you think. Would you go for the cheaper Four Winds? Or would you spring the extra money, $50,000 plus, for the Delano. I know which way I'd go. I love the full body paint. I love the fit and finish. Love that awning. But you'd save lots of money here. Let me know. Bye for now.